Yeah, you talk to Ate Yeye.
Tell her. Oh. Bakit? Yung other.
Daddy. This.
That.
Yung other one.
I have a toy, you said. Ate Yeye,
Dad.
I have a toy.
Go.
I didn't.
One for you.
I want the pink one.
Pink, pink.
Back.
Ay, ibibigay din niya.
Thank you.
Hey, kiss the other.
Oh, you show to Ate Yeye how to use that.
Demonstrate to Ate Ye. Come on.
Tell him to press this one.
Press the button here. Go.
Yeah, press.
Oh,
Tell,
press.
tell her.
Oh, and then you talk.
Daddy.
Oh, see?
Daddy, please. I want this.
The pink. Ate
The
Yeye said
pink
pink.
one.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, you talk to Ate Yeye.
Talk to her. Come on.
Hi, Ate Yeye. You said hi, Ate Yeye.
The door. See that?
Kay Ate Yeye nga daw niya ibibigay.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Why do you put it on
Choose.
my
She
legs?
said choose.
Okay, dance for Ate Ye.
Oh, dance. Ta-da-da-da, ta-da, ta-da-da-da, na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na,
And then ask for the tip.
tip. Oh, show Tati Yeye your drawing.
Show to Ate
Come
Ye.
here. Bring it here. Show Tati Yeye. That is the one I'm asking to.
Go.
Oh. You show Ate Yeye how beautiful you
Draw.
draw. Wow.
Oh, tip. $5 tip, Jaden. Look.
You like it,
I
Jaden?
buy a student. I want a ticket.
It's money.
A money.
Do you have money?
I have the money.
Okay. What did you learn yesterday, Jaden?
Okay, this. The
This?
book.
Did you learn this yesterday?
Yes.
Demonstrate to Ate Ye what did you learn yesterday. Come on. Come on.